Hi, Jonathan. For today, we're going to work on IEP goal number 1 and number 2. So for IEP goal number 1, we're going to read this story. And it says, Sally was excited to bake a cake. She went to the store and bought all the ingredients. Sally wanted to bake a chocolate cake. What flavor? A chocolate cake. So now in Spanish. Sally estaba muy emocionada porque iba a hacer un pastel, Jonathan. Ella fue a la tienda y compró todos los ingredientes. Sally quería hacer un pastel de chocolate. So now to your questions. Number 1. What was Sally doing? Was she going to the doctor? Or letter B, baking a cake. What was Sally doing? Doctor or cake? Circle your answer. Number 2. How was Sally feeling? Was she sad or excited? How was she feeling? Sad or excited? So this would be your goal number 1. Now let's move on to goal number 2. And all of this is in your new packet. Todo esto, Jonathan, lo vas a encontrar en el paquete nuevo de mayo. And it says, for this, grab your pencil. Let me see your pencil. And you're going to circle the items that you can wear. ¿Cuáles te pones? Do you wear a jacket? A jacket? Yes or no? Circle it. Do you wear pizza? Do you wear a truck? Do you wear socks and gloves, pants, or a book? Which one? Circle the items that you wear. Do you wear a shirt, iPad, a computer, the sun, or paint? Circle the items you wear. This is number 1. Number 2. Circle the items that take you from one place to another. ¿Qué te lleva de un lugar a otro, Jonathan? ¿Qué maneja tu mamá? ¿Qué maneja cuando te lleva a la escuela tu mamá? A truck, a bus, a pencil, you write with a pencil, a book, remember you read a book, a boat, or a picture. Circle all the items that take you from one place to another. Number 3. Circle what you use when you are cold. What do you use when you're cold? Do you use a pillow to sleep? Do you use a jacket, socks, tacos, or gloves? Remember, gloves go in your hands. Number 4. Circle, what does your mom drive? What does she drive? Does she drive a car, a truck, an iPad, a book, or a van? Circle, what does your mom drive? And this would be goal number 2. So circle what items do you wear? what items take you from one place to another. What do you use when you're cold? And what does your mom drive? Circle them, and when you're done, you send me a picture.